Banff Castle is a historic castle located in the town of Banff in Aberdeenshire, Scotland. It was originally built in the 12th century as a motte and bailey castle, which was a type of fortification that was common in medieval Europe. The castle was held by the Comyns, Earl of Buchan, and was visited by King Edward I of England in the late 13th century. During the Wars of Scottish independence, the castle was garrisoned with English troops, but it was later captured by the Scots in 1310. After its capture, the castle passed through several different owners, including the Sharps and the Russells. In the 18th century, the old castle was demolished and a new mansion house was built in its place. The mansion house, which was designed by the architect John Adam, is now a Category listed building and serves as a community and arts venue for the town of Banff and the surrounding area. The remains of the old castle, including the motte and bailey, are a Scheduled Ancient Monument, which means that they are protected by law and are considered to be of national historical importance.